Almost every single video on my feed recently has been people using this hair product and getting amazing results every single time, so of course I have to try it.
But everyone should know that the most important first step is how you shampoo your hair. So before I used this viral product, I made sure to thoroughly cleanse my roots, mids and ends so that I could really see what the hype was with this product. Also, make sure you properly wash out your shampoo because I see some people not washing it out fully. Anyway, time to try Scala. I did actually spill quite a lot in my bath trying to show the consistency, but best believe I was scraping the product back out of the tub because I spent my hard-earned money on this. The product itself isn't actually that thick, so it's going to cross my hair really easily, which I liked. Although detangling was still painful, it didn't take as long today. And to be honest, I don't think there's ever going to be a product that makes detangling really easy and painless, but it's nice to find something that quickens the process. So I used this product as a deep conditioner and a leave-in conditioner. I didn't use any other stylist, which did scare me at first. So I did finger roll some of the front framing curls to help get maximum curl definition. And when your curls look like this when they're still wet, you know it's going to be a good wash day. And honestly guys, I had expectations, but they were surpassed. Like using one styler and getting these results, I am obsessed.